But look at your scissors bending. Why are your scissors bending?
I don't know.
There you go, okay? That's what you don't want. You don't want your scissors bending.
Oh, okay, I was doing that.
Exactly. I want to say it's like,
like
I need to go a little bit more right here. So it's like you kind of make a straight line there and then you start going to this side and then to this side. Now you see, now when you have it that little more angle, that would be gone. Right, I'm gonna do it just so you can see what it'll look like. Okay, because now you're gonna get a nicer feather on that side. Okay, so the only thing that you're doing too is for some reason your scissors start going to the side. Like, don't switch. Are those my scissors?
Yeah,
okay. And a lot of times, listen, remember we're gonna go higher. We're gonna go to her lip, right? Or go to her chin even. So you're gonna come here and you're gonna go straight down. See how I'm going? And make it go like this coming down. You wanna use your imagination, right? You wanna see, you want this like off right here. Okay, so this part is the extra piece. If you want to layer here, layer here, layer here, right? Because this will be nice and angled, because then you still have to bring this into it. Okay, that all should come off.
So I see that you grab the hair like that.
Go ahead. But listen, use your imagination too. Remember, like don't grab it so strong, so hard.
Right.
Let go. And just gently grab it, get behind it, and then you can come down. You want to like try to think of the angle that you want, right? You want it like there. And make sure your fingers are nice and steep. Or you could stop there and you can cut there.
So right here.
Yeah. You see how you can do that? And you just go down this way. This is the end. You're gonna go from there to here with your scissor. Don't move, just keep going with your scissor. Don't. But look at your scissors bending. Why are your scissors bending?
I don't know.
There you go, okay? That's what you don't want. You don't want your scissors bending.
Oh, okay, I was doing that.
Exactly.
I was going like this.
Yes, I don't know why, but right, you don't need to. Now let it go. Look how much better that is. Okay, see how nice that is? Now you take the next section and you blend it in with it. Okay, now the next section. Get all of that, cut that off, because that's going to be your angle. Keep those scissors straight. Good. Now the next section. Juliana, man, that's looking really good. Super proud of you. That looks excellent. It's going to be A+ work going on here today. Super proud of you girls. Are you girls proud of yourself?
I'm learning so much that like I didn't even realize that I was doing wrong.
It's like ding, 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 right?
All those little details.
It is. That's why I love to do techniques.
Yeah.
I didn't just teach you a haircut. I teach you a blueprint with techniques, so this way you can figure out so much yourself when I'm not with you, right? But I'll be blueprint. What do you guys have a blueprint in your head right now of? That's right, a beach ball, right? And how do you remember where to stand?
Because you basically got to be behind, like straight with the section.
Yes, right? You always have to be in front of the section, right? See how nice that's going to be when you do it shorter, to not be afraid. But this will look better.
Right.
Okay, so now do her other side. Yeah, we got 225 going on here, girls. You're almost there. Now you have to take a section of this to make sure it's even. I want you to look at it too, and look at it. I want you to tell me where on this side is it? Like, is it by the lip? Like, look exactly where you're gonna take that first section. So you know, always take a measure of like, okay, I have it, like it's by her lip over here, I'm gonna make the other side that same way, like somehow have a little thing to measure it. Go ahead. Okay, I would do it this way. Now when I feather hair back, like the Farrah Fawcett, I do that. I'll do that, right? And that's great. Or if you just wanna come this way and see where that angle is, you just do a little bit more right there. And then you're gonna bring the neck section down. And then you're gonna bring, and listen, I'm taking it down and then bringing it forward. Taking it down and then bring it forward. See, all that really needs to come off. So go ahead. Oh, sorry. Great.
Would you call like this too?
Yep, you sure can. Cut it off. I feel like that's not enough. Go shorter in there. Go closer. Yeah, there you go. Get all that. Don't turn your scissors. Your scissors are sideways. There you go. Good. Now go up and get the next piece again and go up. Now look at, let me show you something right here. See this right here, this piece? You really want this on an angle like that. So you want to almost just come in and from there to here, take that little extra piece off.
Without.
You can try it that way, or you could just go straight up. Thumb only. Good. Perfect. You see how easy? You use your imagination, you freestyle cut. It doesn't always have to be this like absolute perfection. You want it balanced, not perfection. Balanced. Now, Juliana, get in front of her and then check it all. Make sure both by the ears, pull those things down, check them. See, now look at, you could go from here to here because this is the length. You're going straight up. Go ahead, straight up. Straight up. There you go, there you go. Yep, careful, just don't clip your finger. Okay, now look at how much better that's getting, right? And maybe just a little bit more like right there.
Getting you.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. Okay, so I'm gonna be pulling this. I grab this, pull this. I'm just gonna grab this right here and just see, I'm looking at it, like I'm looking, what does it need? I want everything, see how much room it has in here? I want room, I wanna make room in here too, okay? And then I would divide this in the back. That side goes this way, this side goes this way. And you know, it's just a very little bit now. And just kind of comb it down where it lives. Comb it down where it lives. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, now let's check this side, right? And then when you blow dry that, it's gonna be so pretty. And then you're doing it. Yep. So she has a round back, right? Because, and you're looking at that, right? So I want to say it's like, I really need to go a little bit more right here. So it's like you kind of make a straight line there and then you start going to this side and then to this side. And you'd be walking over. Yeah, now she's a really good, even, layered, angled haircut. Great. So
and
now
you would consider this
I'm gonna check it.
medium too long.
Yeah, this is like more Jennifer Aniston kind of feathered. You know, she had that real famous haircut where it was like this heavy ledge and then flipped up.
Right.
That's not this. This is like a nice medium layered when she wears her hair layered, because she has a lot of different layered styles, Jennifer Aniston, but they're very pretty too. So this would be like her hair. That's really good. See how it's very balanced? And then you take the next section. And you know what? I like to take it all. Like I'll just grab the whole thing up. That's why people, when they say they take the ponytail and they do it, do you understand? Now you know why. They take all that hair up and they cut it and you have a whole layered haircut. You know, you could do it that way too. It won't be like this. It won't be quite as nice, but it will layer the hair. I'm letting the comb lead me. So that fell out already. So that's telling me it's probably a little shorter there.
I think when I was here, right next to the ear, I did something wrong.
Okay. That's okay. We'll find it. We'll find it. And look at her length is already dropping out. So, but yeah, so that's for the most part. And now look at, I want to just look at it and see if I could figure it out. And I could probably just take this here. Yeah, it's pretty, it's really close though. You did a great job. Now I want to go sideways because remember, then we're going to check it this way. So we're taking that first right here. Okay, that would be my only thing right there. Well, we angled it later. So really you were spot on because we just angled that more. Now you see, now when you have it that little more angle, it would be, that would be gone. Right, I'm gonna do it just so you could see what it'll look like. Okay, because now you're gonna get a nicer feather on that side. Now I'm gonna take the next section up. That you could cut the whole hair this way too, just so you know. Do you understand? You can, like, because remember, you're taking the ladder up. It's whether you went diagonal, I mean, you know, the beach ball sections or, okay. And then the ear, that lovely ear. The more length they want, the more over directed you're gonna be. But that's spot on for where it's at, right? Now, I'm gonna take this section, gonna go up to number 1, because that's the first mohawk. I'm going to take this whole thing. And it's so good when they have good conditioner in their hair, you know, especially a mannequin head. But yeah, she has good conditioner in her hair, so it's pretty, not too hard. Let the comb guide you. Perfect. Good. Now that's going to be a great, beautiful, layered haircut. And her name is Rebecca. Okay, so you want to see some of those layers in that hair? See how you could see those layers? And where they are now, I want to show you something. You see, when this is longer here and the layer shorter here, I cut it up, you really want more of an angle even here. Okay, so if you get that little hook, but sometimes they like that. They want to pull this up and they want this like piece here, but really see how it's kind of, that will make a difference. If you're bending your scissors at all, you need to make sure that you're keeping them straight so that you cut the hair properly. So really, for this, I would change this angle and come down. Otherwise, it's a perfect haircut because you really want this to be your first feather. You see? Exactly, honey, right? You'll see. You see that. So that's all you have to do, and then you're good. Then you can dry that baby. Yay. Okay, you got lost in the front? All right, so now all you do is, if you get lost, go to the ladder. Ladder. You're on this side, you're checking it, you're looking up, okay? So listen, you have to get this right here. That would come off. Because look at her bang is here, but let me think. If I am on her, yeah, I would.
I have this side first like that.
Like this?
To match it to that.
Okay, let me see this side then first. Oh, I'm taking too much hair on this side because you didn't finish this side yet, right? Okay, did you finish that side?
Down here, no, I had just cut like that.
Okay, so I want you to keep going, and I want you to take the second section. I want you to comb it straight up, and I want you to cut that off. And then I want you to take this next one, and I want you to cut it straight off, going straight up. How much easier is that?
Right.
Okay. Now listen, just comb it straight up. You don't even have to like comb it straight up to that imaginary line that's right here, that first section that you took. Comb it straight up that way, comb it, push it. That way, straight up. And make sure your comb is straight. Look at, don't turn your comb like this. Straight, everything straight up. Comb goes straight up. Now, see, you're taking it from the side. Straight. I want that comb here on her head. Don't come this way. Do you see how you're combing it this way? Straight up. I want it from the side, comb straight.
Okay.
There you go, perfect. Now, there you go, get those fingers up, perfect. You got it, yep.
So I cut like this.
Just take it off. Yep, Juliana, you get it now, right? It's making all sense?